Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys one of the best affordable baby oil. So if you are the type that have a dry skin, you have a very tough skin, any lotion you use it on your skin seems like you've not applied anything on your skin. Watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on Johnson baby oil. Hey, lovers, this is one of the best baby oil I have come across. This oil nourishes the skin. It glows the skin. It brings out that kind of nice caramel skin tone, but then it does not lighten the skin. It does not whiten the skin. All it does is to nourish and moisturize the skin. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what Johnson baby oil is. I'll go ahead and share with you guys who should use Johnson baby oil, and I'll also go deep into it and show you guys how to use Johnson baby oil without any side effects. And I'll share with you guys the side effect of not using Johnson baby oil very well. Beautiful people, if this sounds like something you really love to hear more, stick and stay with me. I will be back for more. So beautiful people, Johnson baby oil, it's a very good moisturizing oil that makes the skin very smooth, that makes the skin very soft, that glows the skin, and that gives you that kind of healthy skin tone. The good news about this Johnson baby oil is that it clears stretch marks on the skin, but then you have to be patient when using Johnson baby oil to clear stretch marks on the skin. This oil is for all skin type. Everybody can use this oil. A baby can use it, an adult can use it, a male can use it, a female can use it as well. The good news about this oil is that it clears stretch marks on the skin. And if you have a baby, sometimes babies, when they come to the world like that, they changes their skin. So with this oil, it's going to help them glow the skin, and moreover it's going to prevent the skin from peeling. Some of the babies, they peel their skin as they are growing, but with the help of this oil, it's going to prevent the skin from peeling, and it will help nourish your baby's skin as well. But then if you are an adult and you are using Johnson baby oil, it's not going to lighten your skin, neither is it going to whiten your skin or it's going to brighten your skin. It's going to maintain your skin tone for you. It will also glow the skin for you as well. It will help you achieve that kind of baby skin as well. But then a normal skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it, a baby can, even everybody can use this oil. All right, but take note, if you are a sensitive skin person and you are using this oil and you notice certain side effects on your skin like pimples, if you are a sensitive skin person, the first sign of side effect you notice on this oil is that you end up having pimples on the skin or on your face, and it's not advisable to use this oil on your face. Do not use it on your face. You can mix this oil with your cream, with your lotion, with your shea butter, your cocoa butter, or anything, and use on the skin. You can also use it alone as well. This is how this oil looks like. It smells like grapes. I don't know if you have an idea of this oil. It smells so nice. It has a very nice fragrance. And moreover, if you have stretch marks and you want to use this oil to treat the stretch marks, all you have to do is after bathing in the evening, just pour it or apply it on the stretch marks and massage it very well. Massage it on the skin. Please, it does not whiten, it does not brighten, it does not lighten the skin. It maintains your skin tone, and it also glows the skin as well. You have to massage it on your stretch marks very, very, very well, and you have to use it morning and evening. Do not use it on the face. The face is very sensitive than the body. It prevents itches, it prevents bad odor. Some people have a very bad odor. This oil prevents bad odor, especially bad armpits. If you have a very bad odor in your armpits, this oil prevents bad odor in the armpit as well. You have to be patient when using it. Okay, it clears stretch marks, it glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very smooth. A baby can use it, an adult can use it, everybody can use it as well. Now, the side effects of using this oil, in fact, I have never come across any side effects, but some people complain that when they use it, they feel pimples on their skin. That is when you have a sensitive skin, okay, and you can expose the skin under the sun when you are using this oil, but then it makes you sweat a lot when you are using this oil. Is very good. It's very good. If you want to maintain your skin, you can use it to maintain your skin. Everybody can use it. It nourishes the skin, it glows the skin, it makes the skin smooth, it moisturizes the skin as well, and it clears stretch marks on the skin. A baby can use it to prevent peeling of the skin. Your baby from 1 month and above can use it, but certain babies have sensitive skin. So you could notice that when you use this Johnson baby oil on the baby gets some kind of rashes on the skin. So if you notice those signs, it means the baby is reacting to some of the ingredients that is used to formulate this Johnson baby oil. You can mix it with your body cream, you can mix it with any cream. You can even mix this Johnson baby oil with a product that contains hydroquine, and it's going to limit the hydroquine in that product. Please don't use it on your face. Don't go and use it on your face, because it's not advisable to use it on your face. I know a lot of people have used this product. Please share your testimony with me under this video. If you want to try it, you can also try it and share your testimony with me. It's one of the best affordable baby oil you can get in the market, especially in Africa. It is good. If you go to a lot of countries, they are using this Johnson baby oil because it's one of the best affordable oil. So beautiful people, do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. Okay, and please do like, ask questions, leave a comment as well. You can share the video with your friends, okay? And moreover, if you want to ask a question or you have a skin problem and you need solution to your skin problem, you can get in touch with Latini. Use the link in my bio, okay? Or you can send us a DM on Instagram at Latini Skincare, on Facebook at Latini Skincare, on TikTok at Latini Skincare, and you can also WhatsApp me on 027 159 4053. Try Johnson baby oil and send me your review. Thank you for watching.